Here is a beautiful barrel cactus, California barrel cactus in full bloom. This is Ferocactus acanthoides. Now this particular plant that you're looking at is unusual in that it has white spines. So this is Ferocactus acanthoides, or cylindraceus as they now call it too, by the way. I'll put up both names in the description, so it could be cylindraceus or acanthoides. But this particular color variant is from the low desert. By the way, look at the cool bees in there. See the big stamen, looks like an octopus above him. Sorry, a big pistil, that's the female part, and he's all in the boy parts. But this particular cactus, this is the color variant from the Palm Springs area of this barrel cactus. Our barrel cactus in our area, Ferocactus acanthoides, has red spines. I'm going to show you one over here. That one is the blonde spined form. And this one over here is the red spine. This is what you're typically going to find usually in the Mojave Desert here, is the red spined form of this barrel cactus. Now, they call it a compass barrel because it tends to lean towards the south. I have another one here, and it leans towards the south. So obviously a cactus in the cactus family, native again to Mojave Sonoran deserts, likes rocky soil, usually found in rock outcrops in full sun. Can grow up to 6 feet high. These in my mom's garden are pretty small. They're only 2.5 feet high. Grow very slowly. And again, they have yellow flowers. They're not edible. You can't cut this in half and drink the water in there. That's a misnomer. You'll probably get sick. There's alkaloids and things in there that would probably give you an upset stomach. So not the type of barrel cactus you would cut into with water. Another thing that's happened with these plants, a lot of them have been poached. People go out to the desert and dig them up. These two plants were from a freeway expansion project, and that other one was from a housing project. So you can get them legally from construction sites and nurseries. You just want to make sure they weren't dug up from the wild, because they're really slow growing. Wildlife value mostly in the form of the flowers for the bees and the seeds, which the birds like and other animals like. Very good for, like I said, raised bed gardening. This is a little raised bed. Rock gardens or in containers. Fairly cold hardy. This barrel cactus could take our cold here in the Mojave Desert down easily into the 20s and probably upper teens, and all the heat you can throw at it. Again, this is the California compass barrel. The first one I showed you that was blooming is the variety Lecontii from the Palm Springs area. Our variety has red spines here in the Mojave Desert.